He is living his best life as woman balances dog on her cleavage. Tammy, an estate agent, stuns everyone by balancing her dog on her ample cleavage. Her beloved pet Gizmo seems perfectly content enjoying his unique resting spot. Tammy frequently showcases her distinct shape, drawing attention on her vibrant Instagram page. During a recent outing in Florida, she confidently flaunted her playful balance with Gizmo. This quirky display of love and humor has left social media users both amazed and amused. Follow us for more entertaining stories and videos.